Igbo representatives of spirits, and they rep us too. Ndị be anyị na-asị na ndị nọ na mba nọrọ ndị nọ n'ụlọ, ndị nọ n'ụlọ nọdụ ndị nọ na mba. If you prove yourself to be a disciplined ikenga or nne nwanyị, alụsị will align with you. That's if you prove yourself to be worthy. Ọ mmadụ bụ mmanya na-afụ anya. And spirits like disciplined people. I mean, Akogoli spirits will use Akogoli people, though. You know what I'm saying? So you choose your flavor. But when you are enjoying an empty life, Maluna Akogoli nebu, and maybe that's the difference in possession and transaction. But yeah, the elements and the entities that utilize and inhabit them are the same globally. I mean, boundaries, we already know boundaries are a man-made concept. So, Eke, Ori, Afompo, the elements of fire, water, earth, and wind are the same globally. Because boundaries are a man-made concept. Just look, for example, locally, look at the identity crisis the proposed Olu state is giving our Anambra mothers. So this means that when you align with water, air, fire, earth elements, in the way your people do it, you have to align the way your people do it. So when you align in the way your people do it, you can receive trade from entities, same element, those element entities from America, from Egypt, etc., who consider you, worthy of transacting it or showing themselves to, because you're a spirit yourself. It's nothing special. So yeah, you can receive trades from entities who respect your package and think you can be a worthy ally. These are just geographical locations. The applications are endless. I mean, is it possible? Can we manipulate the wind spirits, the wind energies in America and Britain to suffocate their indigenous neo-colonialists? Mahakuni plan bad for Africa. Sure, we can. The whole earth suffers from the abusive exploitation of any of its regions. Luang Wegikebulu, the most desirable entity for spiritual partnership. Make yourself the most desirable entity for spiritual partnership, because many more will come. You know what I'm saying? And ultimately, the only guides you have to what to do and what not to do, yeah, buzzing sogi, the various on son sochi in Sunday utugi. Bro, when the trade partner entities go back to their home, Boginandi Mbawa Zocharafia. Kagini ezumezu gị wee ka binwu n'ofu ụlọ ka ọ na-abụla na imetọsigo nsọ gị na ịma mbinwuzi n'ofu ụlọ with mmụọ gị ọ bụrụ nke ahụ bụ isi elu. So when you did not do your morning affirmation, your morning igofo, usually ezumezu as your affirmation process, play it the entirety of your trip to work or school on repeat, and speak with it. It's affirmation and declaration. So just use it and talk. And ask me you got more questions. Ask me about Afa, about rituals, whatever. You got more. Biology.